Hello, thank you for clicking on today's video. So for this video, we're going to discuss global searches in NetSuite. So what is a global search? A global search is this bar here or this space here that allows users to search any pages, records, or fields anywhere on NetSuite. So you just need to enter like keywords or document numbers that you can remember, and it will show you the results that you're looking for. However, when you type in a specific name or a specific keyword on global search, it will show you all of the records, documents, or whatever is in it on NetSuite with that specific name. Okay, so there is actually some tips and tricks that users use to filter the results of a global search. The most common trick that we do is we have to use prefixes. Okay, so let's say for example I'm looking for customer. The name of the customer is customer. Okay, when I type in customer on the global search, it will show me all of the customers on my account. But I only want to see customer named customer. So to do that, you just type in CU and then colon, and then it will show you all of the customers with the name customer. Okay, so it can be CU, it can also be CUS. So the more specific, the better, because sometimes um, let's say for example if you're looking for a save search, and if you type in SA colon, it will also look for sales orders, because sales orders also SA. If you can add in more letters to specify, then that would be good, but for customers, CU is already good. So as you can see here, when we add in CUS or CUST, we are able to see all of the customers with the name customer. Aside from colon, you can also use this special character. It works just the same. And then if you are, let's say, looking for an inactive customer or an inactive record, by default, users are unable to search inactive records on NetSuite. So let's say I have a user that is like a customer named customer inactive, and I have inactivated it. There is a preference or a user preference that you need to check so that this inactive customers will be showing. So I will be showing that to you. You just go to home, set preferences, analytics, and then make sure that include inactives in global search and quick search is checked. Once you have saved that, you will be able to see inactive customers. Okay, so I will search for that. CU inactive. So that's the name of my inactive customer. You will see that under system information, this one is unchecked, or the inactive is checked, which means that this one is an inactive customer. If let's say for example I have unchecked that, okay, and then save it, and then again I look for it, then it will not be showing. So that preference is only applicable to your account. It's a user preference. So when we say it's a user preference, it only applies to your account. So if other users would like to see or would like to be able to see inactive records on global searches and quick search, they need to check that preference. Moving on to my next tip is adding percentage signs, like using a wildcard or something. So let's say for example I'm looking for I can only remember 115 on the document number of a sales order, so I will type in SAL 1115. So if it's SAL, if I type in SAL 115, it will show me all it will show me all of the sales orders that is 115. So exactly 115, just the 115. If it's as a 115, then it will not show. So it will it will only show me what exactly the document number that I have typed, or the word that I have typed on global search. So if you want to include like all invoices with that number, like starting with 115, what you need to do is to add in percentage sign here. So as you can see, all of the sales orders with 115 is showing. So if it's after the word, it will be showing you all of the records with it in front of the the word itself. So let's say 115, it will show you 115 and all of the words with 115 in front of it. 115 SO1 in this specific example. And then let's say, for example, if you want to see any invoices containing this number, like 115, so whether it's in front or at the back, you just add it here in front. So that's where you see it. So you're seeing 115, 115 SO, SO 115, SO 1155. So you're seeing all of the invoices with the number 115, or let's say if it's a word like customer, it will be showing everything. So wherever it is in the word, it will be showing on the result. So another tip that I have here, or another tip that I have, is that, let's say, for example, if you're looking for multiple text string at the same time. So let's say you're looking for customer with the word customer and the word inactive. What you can do is you just type it here. So you will be adding or, and take note that the or should be in capital letters, okay? Customer or inactive. So it will show you all of the customers that with the word customer or inactive. So right now I don't have any customer with the word inactive, but let's say, for example, I will just enable the preference again so that it will be showing. So here you go. You just type in CU, the prefix, customer or inactive. So it will show you all of the customers with the word customer or inactive. So it doesn't require both in the same name or like the same document number, as long as the word is there. So it's like searching for multiple text string at the same time. Also, you will be able to, be routed to the dashboard or to the customer dashboard from this page, or when you type in the global search and let's say, for example, you have found the record that you're looking for, let's say a customer, and you want to view the dashboard, you will be able to do that as well. There is a link here for you to be routed to the dashboard. And if you want to, open the customer on edit mode, you can click on edit. And if you click on this or outside of these two links, when you open it, it will be on view mode. So as you can see, this one we were routed to the customer page or the customer dashboard page. This is the customer page on edit mode, and this one is on view mode. Okay, so that's it for the tips and tricks on how to use the global search on NetSuite. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website. Thank you.